Stock exchange on this Wednesday as President Trump is set to unveil new tariffs later today. The president has not shared specifics of his plan, only saying they will ultimately grow the U.S. economy. Right now, we're seeing the Dow down over 300 points. Sources tell ABC News officials are considering a flat rate on all imports, different tariff levels depending on barriers imposed on American goods, and tariffs focused on trade imbalances. But economists are warning, regardless, it will be Americans paying higher prices. ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous is here for more. So, Alexis, what are you watching for as trading starts ahead of this big announcement?
Well, right out of the gate, we're down more than 300 points on the Dow. The market's really been going through it, right? Really, these tariffs have caused chaos in the stock market. The S&P 500 now down more than 9% from its recent high. The NASDAQ composite down about 15% from its recent high. What Wall Street wants finally is clarity on the tariff front. We don't know if we're going to get it later today, but Trump's going to make this announcement after the stock market closes, which means investors will sort of have the night to sleep on it, to figure out what his tariff agenda might mean for the economy and for Wall Street. But we know that now for weeks, investors have just been wanting clarity on what this policy is going to look like. Economists are saying the worst case scenario for the markets and the economy would be a flat 20% tax rate across the board. They're saying that would most definitely lead to a recession and could push unemployment to 7%. Remember, we have unemployment now at 4%. Also, the market is just absolutely disregarding some pretty good economic data we got today on jobs. Private employers added more jobs than expected last month. Of course, we get the big unemployment report for the month on Friday. But all they care about right now, Diane, the tariffs. What will they look like and what will the ramifications be?
All right, business reporter Alexis Christoforous, thank you. That is the big question so many are wondering today.